All right, I'm in Adobe Photoshop here, and I'm going to adjust the blown out sky here. It's like overexposed. We're going to start with the lasso tool, so get that guy, the standard lasso, and I'm going to draw a selection here right around the people, but I actually don't want the people in it. And this is going to be a loose, like a very sloppy looking selection. You're going to be like, what are you doing? But you'll see. So up here, around. So now I've got everything except the people and their shadows. Now, if I was to adjust that, you know what I'm going to do real quick here. Hold on. Make a duplicate there. So we can do before and after. Okay, so uh, I'm going to, if I just did a standard adjustment here with that selection, you'll see that, see this, it doesn't fade it in or blur it in or anything. So that looks horrifying. So we're going to go to select and then modify and feather. Now a feathered selection means it's going to blur the edges of the selection. And we're going to use 100 pixels because that's about this far. You see up here, 600 to 700. So yeah, it's a good little blur for that selection edge. Now we're going to go adjust curves. Now watch this. Pull this down. Let me move it over here a little bit. Yeah, pull it down and see that? Nice. And so it looks, pretty dramatically different. Now I'm going to deselect it. Now we can look at the other one. So yeah, um, yeah, that's pretty good. You can do even more if you wanted to, but just I'll show you how fast you can actually whip this out. Boom, and now uh, feather again. Do it again, same distance, everything, and adjust again and see what we get this time. I mean, it's pretty crazy, right? So yeah, that looks good. A little green up here. Maybe I wouldn't select that, but overall, uh, yeah, it looks night and day difference, right? So there you have it. Hopefully that helped. Let me know in the comments.